my name is Stephen Gainey. I'm the superintendent of the Randolph County School System. I hope you've enjoyed the video regarding our 9-year facility upgrade repair plan. Throughout the video, you saw several facility improvement projects. These projects would not have been a reality if it wasn't for the hard work of two groups of individuals. To begin with, our Board of Education. When we first as a staff showed this plan to the Board of Education, they got behind the plan and they started generating support for the plan. And then we moved to the county commissioners and we showed them the plan and they started generating support for the plan as well. And then they also provided an additional $750,000 in annual capital outlay funding for our school system to make this plan a reality. So to both groups, the Board of Education and the county commissioners, I say a big thank you because our students and staff and larger community will forever benefit from these facility improvements. To give you some numbers about this plan, to begin with, after 9 years, when you take all 9 years and add them together, a total of $11,689,470 will be spent to carry out this plan throughout the campuses of the Randolph County School System. Also, over 70 projects will be completed with this plan. And right now, as of today, 15 projects have been completed at 100%, and another 6 projects have been partially completed. So again, I hope you enjoyed our video. I hope it gave you a view of what's going on in the Randolph County School System. There's many exciting times ahead for our school system, for our students, our staff, and our surrounding community. But none of these exciting times would be possible if we didn't have the great support from two big teams, and they are the Randolph County Board of Education and the Randolph County Board of Commissioners. We thank both groups for their support of this plan and for their support of our school system as we move to the future.